Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got the top 3 baddest analog watch faces that you're going to find in the Gear Manager store. So make sure you go download right away, people, because you know how it goes. All right, so the name of the watch face is called SBW Tag Active Blue. Now this watch face comes in a few of the colors. You're going to be able to get yellow, green, white, and red. And these colors are free for the taking as well in the Gear Manager store, so check it out. And with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get started with the review. Now, in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look as if the watch face was on. It's just going to be dimmed down, so you're going to be able to tell your time at a glance with no problem. But when the watch face is on, it does have a nice premium casual look to it. I like the style of the hands. I like the second hand and how it's accented white at the tip. Gives it a little bit of class. And also you got 3 dials. Now up at the top, what you're going to get is your date. You're going to get your month, and you're also going to get a 24-hour digital time at the top as well. Info on miles walked or ran. Your step info. You come down, you're going to be able to get floors climbed. Here you're going to be able to get your heart rate information. And here you're going to be able to get your battery info. And let's tap on it. So you can go into each one. Get more of your info status. And this isn't bad. I thought it was definitely a nice look, especially, right, considering that this is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now number 2 is nice. It's called K01FB Free. Now this is the free version. Now with the paid version, you're going to be able to get some more features and functions, like whether you can go into your S Health, make a phone call, battery. Now also what comes along with that is 6 other different colors. Me personally, I think this one is going to suit me for right now. I may get the paid version a little later on, but again, you're going to have options with the paid version compared to the free version. Now, let's take a look at this watch face. I like the look of this. I do like the design. It has a classic analog look that really stands out. Has a premium feel and look to it as well. Now in the AOD mode, I thought this was a pretty slick look. Now the battery level and your S Health meter changes, which looks pretty nice in the AOD mode. I thought that was super slick. But when it's on, again, the traditional look does stand out. You get a ticking second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. This side is going to be your battery. That side is going to be your S Health. I almost made my goal. And down at the bottom, you're going to get your date. This is not a bad look for an everyday watch face, and even a dress-up watch face, people. You can get away with this one. All right, you all, let's go ahead. Let's check out watch face number 3. Watch face number 3 is called GK32, a nice casual watch face, an analog watch face. And in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get a nice analog look. In the AOD mode, it's not going to look bad at all. But when the watch face is on, it really offers quite a bit, considering that it's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Now, if you look in the window, right, you're going to get your date, you're going to get your step information as well. Now, you get 2 places where it gives you battery info. Right here, where there's a meter, and right here where it gives it to you in percentage as well. Now if you come down, you do got some animation going on. You can see part of the watch ticking along at the bottom, and you get the 12, the 9, the 3, and the 6. A nice classic look. So this is not bad at all, right? Your heart rate information is going to be over here, and it is inactive. So if I tap on this window, I can go into my calendar, set the event. Here I can get my heart rate information, and of course right here I can get my battery info. So again, free. If this worth the download, I'm gonna say yeah. This gives me flexibility, right? All right, you all, that's gonna be it for the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have a nice day in or night, and I'm gonna see you all at the next video. Just make sure you hit the like button on the way out, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.